So over here you can see that I have these notes right here, and these texts right here are arranged in a certain way. But what you can also do is you can go ahead and enable out small text and full width option for the text that you have right here as well. So to do that, you need to click on the three dot button, and here you can see that small text is an option. So if I were to go around over here and enable this, then you can see that the text right here becomes smaller. So entirely you can see that I have these particular content right here just like this. So if I were to go ahead and let's say for example paste this out, then you can see that the text is smaller. I can go ahead and enable and disable this, and you can see the change in the text right here. Apart from that, if I were to choose full width, you can see that it utilizes the full width right here just like this, from here to here just like this, so that it utilizes the overall space, as you can see just like that. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the small text and full width option inside of Notion. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.